Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Target Plus affiliate links for mobile traffic attribution. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To verify Target Plus affiliate links for mobile traffic attribution, start by accessing your affiliate dashboard. Log into your Target Plus affiliate account. Navigate to the section labeled Links or Affiliate Links. Locate the specific affiliate link you want to verify. Copy the link to your clipboard. Open a new browser window or tab. Paste the affiliate link into the address bar. Before pressing enter, append a tracking parameter for mobile attribution. This parameter typically includes UTM_source equals mobile or similar. Press enter to load the link. Once the page loads, observe if it redirects correctly to the intended product page. Review the URL in the address bar to ensure your tracking parameters are still intact. To confirm mobile attribution, you can use a mobile device. Open your preferred mobile browser. Paste the link with the tracking parameters into the mobile browser. Check if the link points to the correct product. Monitor for any discrepancies in traffic reporting in your affiliate dashboard. Take note of the conversion metrics associated with your mobile traffic. Make adjustments to your links as needed based on your findings. Always test your links periodically to ensure ongoing accuracy. This method helps maintain the integrity of your affiliate marketing efforts. Follow these steps consistently for optimal results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.